What's up, YouTube? This is my collection 7000. Ah, dang, this is my second time filming. I forgot to press the pause button, so kind of messed up. So, yeah, this is on unboxing from dreadnok320. Awesome friend, awesome YouTuber. Check out his channel. He collects a lot of vintage Hot Wheels, stuff I had when I was a kid, and he also had as a kid. He also collects G.I. Joe. Lots of old school big rigs and stuff. So yeah, check out his channel. Awesome friend, very awesome YouTuber. So yeah, let me show you what he sent me. Kind of had to put it back together, so I'll just show you what he got. Some really awesome stuff though. I wish I could have saved the first one, but he sent me some Joes. Pretty cool for my Joe collection that I'm starting to buy. Got the Willies, some loose cars, some Joes, big rigs, you name it, it's all in here. Pretty cool. Got this Matchbox Gold. I like this. It has a coin. It's a Lambo. Yeah, pretty cool. First time I seen those. This one too, Judge. This is a pretty sick one too. Yeah, add that to my Matchbox collection. Some vintage Joe catalogs from back in the day. Pretty cool. That way, now I can see what else to get for my Joe collection. Got a tank truck. Got this cool Beamer. Got this one. Nice colors. Some missiles for some Joes. Old school Supra. Pretty cool. Got this one. Lolo. Here's the packages for the Matchbox Gold. There's a old school big rig. It's cool G.I. Joe Cobra motorcycle. I don't know if the missiles go to that one. Dread, if you know, just let me know the missiles. These right here, if it goes with these. So yeah, just hit me up. This transporter, pretty cool. Cool. Got an Albertsons highway hauler. Sweet. Got a Lucky. I still like Albertsons more. when I used to live in California. We got a Ozone Joe Fig. Comes with all the weapons and stuff. Sweet. Got this Chevy. One of my favorite castings. This cool Matchbox big rig. Loving the colors. Green. Never seen this one before. Some more highway haulers. Got the Flying Customs. Redline tires and two of them, the red and the silver. Sweet. Cool, more Joes. Very great pieces for my slowly growing Joe collection. Comes with some stands and stuff. And speaking of stands, I think I gotta buy like at least 50 right now, so I can display my Joes. We've got a short card Callaway C7. He knows I love imports, so he sent me a Datsun, the rust color orange one. Sweet. Garage car, Ford Falcon. This is sick too. Nice metallic paint job. Oh wow, he sent me this. Matchbox cab and tanker hauler. Oh, this is a nice one. Very, very perfect addition to my collection. Oh, I've been looking for these for. It's Kenworth T2000. Got a silver one and a red one. Yeah, I've seen these on eBay and stuff, but I haven't picked them up yet. But cool, I got one for the collection. Then modifiers, Accord. I remember having these. I still got a bunch of them, like boxes over here somewhere. Got my Hondas, my Acuras. This is the 1/64 scale though. Cool. Vintage Bronco. Sweet. Black walls. Dang, good. RX-7. Black one loose. Cool. I don't have to open my other one. Finally, let's see. Oh yeah, Recondo. Needed this one for the Joe collection. Sweet. Yeah, thank you very much, Dread. Very, very awesome package. Tons of stuff. I don't know how you managed to fit it in the box. But yeah, check out his channel. Very, very awesome channel. I watch his videos to see what I need for my collection. So every time I see his videos, I take a note and stuff, saying all the stuff that he picked up, saying that I need it for my collection. So yeah, thank you, Dread. Dreadnok320. So much awesome stuff. You made my collections grow. All my big rig, my Joe collection, my Hot Wheel collection. Yeah. So go check him out. Throw him a sub. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, commenting, and talk to you later. Aloha.